In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save an Excel practice exam. If you are working through an Excel practice exam, saving your progress is one of the most important habits you can build. It helps protect your work, so you do not have to redo questions if something changes. To begin, look up at the ribbon at the top of your Excel window. The ribbon is where you see tabs like Home, Insert, and so on. Find the tab that says File and click it. This opens the Backstage area, which is where Excel lets you manage documents, including saving, exporting, and other file options. Take a moment here to make sure you are actually on the File tab, because that is what will give you the correct saving options. After you click File, you will see a left sidebar with different choices. Now click Save As in the left sidebar menu. This option is helpful because it lets you save a new copy of your work, or save it to a specific location on your computer. It is also useful if you want to keep the original practice exam file separate from your saved progress version. Look carefully at the sidebar, then select Save As, so the screen updates with the saving settings. Once you select Save As, you will usually see a file location panel. Next, click Browse. You do this when you want to choose a specific folder on your local computer instead of relying on whatever location Excel selects automatically. On screen, the Browse button is commonly used to open a file picker window. Click it now and wait for the folder selection window to appear. When the folder window opens, you will be able to navigate through your computer's folders. Choose the local computer folder where you want this practice exam to be saved. Take a moment to think about what folder will be easy to find later, such as a Documents folder or a dedicated Study folder. Then click the folder so it is selected. This step matters because it determines where your saved file will live, and that is what you will return to when you continue working. Now that you have selected the folder, you will see a field labeled File Name. In this box, type the practice exam file name you want to use. If you want, you can include something that helps you recognize the version later, such as the date you saved it. The goal is to create a clear, recognizable name so you can quickly locate the correct file. Carefully type the name, making sure there are no mistakes, and that the name matches what you intend to save. After you have entered the file name, you are ready to finalize the save. Go ahead and click Save. This is the action that locks in your practice exam progress under the name and location you selected. Excel will save your current work, and depending on your settings, it may also update the view or show a confirmation. If you notice the status changes or the file appears to be saved, that is exactly what you want. To make sure everything is correct, you can glance at the saved file details, confirm that the file appears in the folder you selected, and that the file name matches what you typed. If everything looks right, you can continue with your practice exam knowing your progress is safe. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.